The sign meaning to contact someone. To contact someone. I tried to contact you Saturday. You were gone. What's up? I got up at 3:45 in the morning. $3:45 in the morning? I see. To fish or fishing. To fish or go fishing. To bet. To bet. A form of the sign morning that means early in the morning. Early in the morning. She loves fishing. I bet she got up early in the morning to go fishing. You went fishing, right? A form of the sign jump, which means to jump to conclusions. To jump to conclusions. No, wait a minute. Don't jump to conclusions. To go ahead with something. To go ahead. I'm sorry, go ahead. Anyway, we got up. We who? My sister Laura, and then her name sign using an L hand shape, her boyfriend, her girlfriend, me, my husband. I see. To pick up something or to pick up someone. To pick up. Baseball or softball. Baseball or softball. The finger-spelled abbreviation for Cincinnati. The letters C-I-N-N stand for Cincinnati. Tournament. Tournament. Anyway, we got up early. Why? We had to drive to pick up 3 other people to go to Cincinnati for a deaf softball tournament. Wait a minute. I want to count. You, your husband, your sister, her boyfriend, her girlfriend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 3 other people. The sign meaning for a large number of people to fit in a small space. Many people fitting into a small space. Your car is small. How did all of you fit in? The sign chase can be used to describe the situation where one car follows another. Chase. We use 2 cars, one followed behind the other. I see. Specific. Specific. Those 3 people, notice the facial expression Janine uses to indicate the 3 people she was just talking about. Those 3 people were supposed to wait at a specific place. We arrived at that place, and no one showed up. To drop. This sign can be used in the sense of dropping plans. We waited a while. The sign later is used here to mean for a while, then dropped what we had planned and left. Now there are 5 people. If you use 2 cars, facial expression makes that a conditional clause. You'll waste gas. Gas was fingerspelled. It's nothing, or there's nothing to it. It's nothing. Safe. To be safe. No, we left my sister's car at that place. It's not a big deal. It's safe to leave it. They joined us in my car and we drove to Cincinnati. We arrived 2 hours late. Why? What happened? We had a map, and it was lousy. Janine is going to sign that one draw map, and because of the facial expression, she will mean the one who drew the map. The one who drew the map. Messed up. Messed up. The one who drew the map messed up. It looked like he didn't know north from south. This is the basic form of the sign ask. The sign can be repeated in different locations and means to ask several different people. To ask several different people. This is the basic form of the sign different. The sign different can be repeated in different locations and gives the meaning several different. Several different. We had to stop and ask several different people, and we finally found it. To lose, the opposite of win. To lose. What happened? Did they win? Lose? What? Team. Team. This is the sign himself, herself, or itself. When talking about the characteristics of someone or something, it's common to name that person or thing and then sign what we are translating as himself or itself or herself. The team itself. They lost, but the team itself enjoyed the game. The team hasn't practiced enough. Anyway, that's their excuse. How many teams played? Altogether, 8 teams. Were they all deaf? Yes. Where were the teams from? When you learn the sign forget, you see it like this. In casual conversation, you will often see it like this. Forget. Ohio had 4 different teams: Cincinnati, Dayton, the other 2, I've forgotten their names. The initials KY mean Kentucky. Kentucky. Here is a sign for Louisville. Louisville. The initials LEX stand for Lexington. Lexington. Kentucky had two teams, Louisville, Lexington. Indianapolis was there. There's one more. I'm puzzled, I've forgotten it. Wow, that's a lot. Yes, we really enjoyed it. We had a good time. To contact a person. Fishing. Bet. Early in the morning. To jump to conclusions. To pick up. Baseball or softball. Cincinnati. Tournament. A large number of people fitting into a small space. To chase or follow. Specific. To drop. It's nothing. Safe. Messed up. To ask several times. Several different. Lose. Team. Itself. Kentucky. Louisville. Lexington.